All right, if anyone wants to know, this has to do with the door lock on a Cessna 150. It came out. The whole tumbler set came out, but the outer ring of the lock stayed inside. So the way that happened is the little tumbler set right here has a screw in the back of it, which is right there. That screw had loosened over time, unbeknownst to me. And the other day it came off. The whole latch assembly inside the door came off and fell down inside of the door, okay? So in here is hollow. This is just the door plastic. In here is hollow. Fell down to the bottom. I was on Carolina Aviators Network and just asked if anyone had ever run into this. Someone suggested using a magnet. And I had kind of thought about doing that, but I was a little bit leery of it because I didn't know the latching mechanisms. But once I was able to research that a little bit, found out that there's nothing in this area down here. It's hollow. There is one little brace, but as you come across it, it's not to the point where it's a problem when you're doing it on the inside. So I ran the magnet up the inside of the wall to bring the parts up to here, okay? So what I have in there now is difficult to see, but I have the actual latching mechanism, and I've put it in place in the little groove that's on the handle. So now what I'm gonna attempt to do, you can't see it, but there's 3 holes in the little latch. And what they do is they match up to what you see on the back of this. So there's, oops, I didn't mean to drop somebody's airplane in there, but anyways, so you can see that there's these little protrusions there, and then there's a screw hole. So what'll happen is I'll put this in, and it's gonna be such, or it'll be situated such that the 2 protruded parts are on the bottom and the screws on the top. Once I get that in place, as it goes in through the door, then I'll hold it in place and put the screw in and tighten that up. And I think I'm gonna try to put a little bit of Loctite on it to try to keep that from happening again. Hopefully that helps.